Hello dear students. In the last video we have started estimating products. Page number 44, exercise 3rd E. See question number 1 and question number 2. From question number 2 we have given some examples as a homework. Okay. Hope you all have completed that. Now we are moving towards the last question, that is question number 3. Answer the following by estimating. See, there is one word problem. First we are going to read that problem. See the headline read, "A million voted today." Actually 90,018 people voted each hour for 12 hours. Did the newspaper give a sensible account of the number of votes cast in the election? See there what is given here in the question. See the headline was "A million voted today." See what is meant by million? I think you can understand a million means 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. But actually 90,018 people voted each hour for 12 hours. Means in 1 hour 90,018. Like this how many hours they were voting? 12 hours. So we should first find out actual number. Okay. Of this voting. Means 90,018 people per hour. Like this how many people voted for 12 hours. If we will find out that number, after that we can compare that number with the estimated one. Means in the headline it is given 1 million people or 1 million voted today. Is it correct or not? See the question is, did the newspaper give a sensible account of the number of votes cast in election? So that we have to check. Let's see here, I have solved the problem here. You can write down in your notebook afterwards. See, total number of people voted each hour. What is that number? 90,018. And total number of hours. How many hours they were voting? 12 hours the voting was going on. Per hour 90,018 people voted. Okay, like this total number of people we have to find out. So 90,018 multiplied by 12. I got here the actual number. See, after multiplying I got 10 lakh 80,260. Okay. So this number, is it nearby that 10 lakh? Means 1 million? That we have to check. See the highest value is 10 lakh. Okay. After that 0 is there after this 1. So it will go to same 10 lakh, that is 1. Okay. So the number here, see 10 lakh 80,216, it is nearby 10 lakh. Try to understand. So the question, did the newspaper give a sensible account of the number of votes cast in the election? Yes, because it is approximately nearby 10 lakh. So the newspaper has given a sensible account. So I have written here yes. But we have to do the calculation and check whether estimation is correct or not to the actual calculation. This is the verification. Okay. Do you understand how we have done it? Okay. Now let's see the next part, that is estimating quotients. See, till now we have seen estimating sums and differences, estimating products. Now the last part, that is estimating quotients. I will do it here. See here, estimating quotients. See, for every estimation, means for sums, differences, for the products, there are different rules which we have to follow and complete those examples. Now, while estimating quotients, what are the rules? How it will become easy to estimate, that we have to see. Directly we will take the examples from try these exercise. See there, try these. Okay, I will show you one example here. You will try to understand. See, if you will see the description which is given here above here, okay, there we can find out. See, there you can see the red letters, okay, compatible numbers, then choose a number close to 548. Is that easily divisible by 7? See there what I am going to tell you now. See here, instead of rounding of the numbers to the greatest value, okay, we have to apply the different method here. We have to round off the given number to the compatible number. See, take one example here. See, question number 1. Okay, estimate the quotients by using the compatible numbers. What is this compatible number? That we have to see first. See, take this example here. See, 331 is divided by 4. Now, you may think this 331 we will round off to the nearest 100. Then it will be rounded off to 300. But 300 will not get divided by 4. Okay. So, maybe it will get divided, but you will not get the correct number there as a quotient. Instead of that, what we will do? See, I will check this 4 and 3 is smaller. So, I will take the number greater than this 4. That is 33. 2-digit number I will consider. And I will check, see, the number which will be nearby this 33, which is divisible by 4. If you will consider the table of 4, 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. Instead of 36, I will take here 32. So what I will do here? See, this instead of 330 means 1, I will take the compatible number 320, which is exactly divided by 4. Do you understand it now? Already it is given here, but why it is taken, that I explained you here. So that it will be easy. This number is compatible number, which is exactly divisible by 4. So 4 8s are 32. Okay. And for this 0 again, 4 zeros are 0. So the quotient will be 80. Do you understand it? Okay. Now take one more example, that is B here. See, 46 divided, 46 is the divisor here. It is, see, 487 divisible by 46. Divide this 487 by 46. See, both the numbers we have to round off here. See, 46, it is easy. Is it easy to make the table of 46 and go? Instead of that, this 46 will be rounded off to 50. Okay. It will be rounded off to 50. And this 480, see there. See here, if I will take, instead of 48, see 5 will be compared with this number 480. Okay, which is nearby 500. So 50 and 500. See, easily we can do the division here. 500 can be divided by 50. So 50 ones are 50. And take this 0 down. 50 zeros are 0. So this will be the quotient. Do you understand? We have to round off both the numbers to the compatible numbers where the division will be easy. And then we have to estimate it. Means both the numbers will be rounded off to the nearest values. Okay, 46 is rounded off to 50. And this, see, I should take the dividend in such a way that it should get divided by this divisor. Okay, so I will arrange the number or round off the number in such a way that it will be divided by the number which is outside, that is as a divisor. Okay, I think you have understood what is the method to be followed. See, these examples also you have to write it in the notebook. We will take one more example from this. Example C. See there, 12, and inside I will take here 375. Already the compatible number is given here. Check here. See, 12 is kept as it is. Okay. Here it was needed because if it is converted into 500, then this number is taken as 50 for the easier calculation. Now 12 and 37 I compare. 12 3s are 36. Okay, so taken here 360. Only one number is changed. 12 3s are 36. Now take this 0 down. 12 zeros are 0. So this is quotient. Got it? So estimating quotients, it will come 30. Now it has been easy. Take one more example. Next one, we will complete this exercise now. Example D here. 26 and 920. Check here. Now it will be again difficult. So what they have done, 26 is rounded off to 30 and this 928. See, 3 and this 9. 3 3s are 9. So it has taken as 900. Both the numbers. 928 is rounded up to 900. Now 33s are 90. We take this 0 down. Again 30 zeros are 0. Got it? Now next one. See there. Example E. 44 is the divisor and 1571. Okay. What is done? See, 44 is rounded up to 40 and this 15,571. See, in 4's table you will not get 15. 4 4s are 16 we can get. So I have rounded up to 1,600. So 44s are 160. 0 0 0 and take this 0 down. For that again put one 0 in. So this is the quotient. Do you understand? Here 0. See, 40 zeros are 0. Got it? Now the last one. F 65 and inside 2218. See there, this 65 will be rounded up to 70. Okay. And now you compare this 7 with this 22. 7 3s are 21. So we will take 2100 here. 7 3s are 73s are 210. See, by taking this 0, you can directly put 0 here. If you will not subtract 0 from this, then too it's okay. If you will keep here 0 and write 0 here, then too it is okay. It's not compulsory to do that 0 minus 0, but I have done so that you can understand it better. Okay, this way we have seen estimating the quotients. All the examples you write it in your notebook. The next question, that is question number 2, estimate the quotient. Verify by actual calculation. We will do it in the next video. Thank you.